Next, we have 1 plus 5 plus 2 equals
1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. 1, 2.
Now count.
2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 7, 8.
It's 8. Now get the pencil. Pencil right there. Write the number 8.
A mouse.
Wait, try again. Write number 8. No, that's not how we write number 8. Make a small circle. And see? What color?
Yay!
What color is 8?
2. Purple.
Purple.
6. Can you have purple?
Very good, using your words. That's purple.
Purple.
I gave you the purple. What else do you need? You want this one? They're the same. Okay. Okay. 8. Oh, be careful, the 14. Don't color the 14. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, give me. Next, we have 6. 6 plus 3 plus 2 equals. So this is 6. Okay. Now make 3 dots. So that's 6 right now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. So we have what's after 6? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11. Okay, write it down. What color? What color? What color? Oh, yeah. Can you tell me what color is the 11, please? What color is the 11? Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Beautiful. Okay, now we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals. Okay, now we have 2. 2 there. Here. There. You make 1, 2, 1, 2. Now count.
2.
This is 2. What's after 2?
Yeah.
So we have Heather. 2, 3, no, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
What's the answer?
Let's store.
What is it?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And good job. See, that's a shortcut right there. Good job. 8 plus 3 plus 4 equals. So now we have 8. Now make 3 dots.
8.
1, 2, 3. Now make 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now you start with 8.
Let's
Ah,
drop back.
say 8. 8.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Mmm.
Yeah.